Hi, this is Easton, the STEM librarian, and I'm going to walk you through registering for SciFinder. We're going to start on the chemistry LibGuide. Near the top, click the link called SciFinder Registration. This will redirect you to its welcome screen. Click Next to register as a new user and read the license agreement, which says you can only use SciFinder for educational and not commercial uses. Then fill out all your information, making sure you use your Loyola email. I skipped some parts of this because I don't want y'all hacking me, but there's nothing too special about this page. When you're done, go ahead and click Register. The next page says they sent you an email. This should come immediately from registration@cas.org. It will have a link, so go ahead and click it, and it should redirect you either to a confirmation page or this login screen. Now you'll be able to log in to SciFinder and access all of its services. And if you have any questions about registering or accessing or using SciFinder, please reach out to me. On the LibGuide, if you click Home, there's a profile box with my email information, or you can reach out to me directly at ebrundage@luc.edu or through the Ask a Librarian chat on the website. Thanks.